Panasonic Heat Pump Consultation in Pickering. When it comes to heating and cooling your home efficiently, Panasonic heat pumps are quickly becoming a top choice for homeowners across Ontario. At Twintech Heating Cooling, we specialize in providing expert advice and full-service consultation to help you choose the right Panasonic heat pump system for your Pickering home. Why choose Panasonic heat pumps? Panasonic is a global leader in HVAC technology, known for their energy-efficient, eco-friendly, and ultra-quiet heat pumps. With inverter technology, variable speed compressors, and smart controls, their systems are designed to provide year-round comfort while reducing your carbon footprint and energy bills. A Panasonic heat pump is a future-ready solution that delivers reliable performance and long-term savings. What our consultation includes. At Twintech, we don't just sell Panasonic heat pumps. We guide you through the process from start to finish. Our consultation service includes home evaluation. We assess your space to determine the best heat pump model and system size for optimal performance. Energy efficiency advice. Learn how to maximize your energy savings and qualify for available government rebates or incentives. System customization. We help design a system tailored to your home layout and usage needs, whether it's a single zone or multi-zone setup. Expert recommendations. Our HVAC specialists provide honest, pressure-free guidance to help you make an informed decision. Professional installation coordination. We'll coordinate installation by our certified technicians to ensure a seamless and efficient setup. Choosing Twintech means getting personalized service from a trusted, local HVAC company with years of experience. We're proud to offer knowledgeable, certified technicians, transparent, upfront pricing, ongoing support and maintenance options, flexible scheduling, and fast response times. Our goal is to ensure every customer gets the right Panasonic heat pump system, one that suits your home, your budget, and your lifestyle. Ready to get started? If you're considering a Panasonic heat pump, the first step is a personalized consultation with the experts at Twintech. Our team is here to answer all your questions, explain the available models, and guide you to an energy-efficient future. Contact us today to book your consultation with Twintech Heating Cooling, your local Panasonic heat pump experts.